Good morning, everyone. Today we have to study about heat energy. Heat energy. I think you like it, right? Let's go. Heat. What is that? Sit in this one. How do you feel when you touch the pan, the cooking pan? You feel hot or you feel cold? How do you feel when you touch the ice? Feel or cold, sit in? I'm sorry, feel hot or feel cold? Feel cold, right? The ice. Next thing, how do you feel when ah you go to Phuket and sunbathing? Feel hot, right? But you like it. It's good for your skin. Okay, look at this, sit in. How do you feel when you hold a cup of hot water? I'm sorry, hot tea. You feel hot, very good. Next one. Sit in. How do you feel when you touch the ice? Cold. How you feel when you do sunbathing? This one is the sunlight, right? You feel hot. This one. How do you feel when you eat the ice cream? Feel cold. How do you feel when you touch the light bulb? You feel hot. Okay, so then look at this. Heat is a form of energy that is hot. It's travel from the hotter substance to the colder substance. One more. See then, hot to cold. Okay, hot to cold. Look at this. See then, because the sun is the hottest, right? So it's travel. Heat from the sun is travel to the other place that is cold or some substance is cold. This one, you see it? Cold to hot. And what happened? When you cook something, right? It's burned because the first time it's cold and the heat go to this meat and this bacon and make it cook. Very good. Ah, see in this one. Why do you feel hot when you put your hand on the hot pot? You feel hot because the heat energy from the hot pot transfer to our hands. Okay. Look at this. This one is his, right? It's transferred to your hand. So it means that it's closer. You feel hotter. It's far away that ah you feel less than closer, right? Okay, so the next one, temperatures is a measure of the energy that matter contains or how hot or cold is it. Look at this, see then. Look at the month. See then why the temperature change because the position of the earth from the sun changed. The earth orbit around the sun, right? See then, so it means that we can take the sunlight in a different position. So it means that if the earth is far away from the sun, it means that the earth will go to the winters like that. Okay. See then, look at this. Temperature is measured by the thermometers, right? There are three types of thermometers. There are three types of thermometers. First, bulb, digitals, and gauge. One more time, bulb, digital, gauge, bulb, digital, gauge. Very good. Next one, sit in. What do we use to measure the temperature? Sit in, we use thermometers to measure temperatures. Okay, one more time. What are the types of thermometer? The first one, sit in, is bulb, right? Next one, see then it is digital, and the last one is gate. Bulb, digital, gate, bulb, digital, gate. Next one. See then There are three units of measuring temperatures. There are three units of measuring temperatures. The first one is degree Celsius, second one is degree Fahrenheit, and the last one is Kelvin. One more time. Degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Let's start. Look at this. Then the boiling points and freezing points for each type of temperatures unit. Look at this. Then Celsius is 100, Fahrenheit is 112, and Kelvin is 373, right? It's boiling point part. Freezing point is 0, 32, 273, and scale difference is 100, 180, and 100. And why this is very important, because you have to remember this if you want to change from Celsius to be Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to be Celsius. Look at this. If you want to change from Celsius to Fahrenheit, right, degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 multiply Celsius plus 32. If you want to change from Fahrenheit to be Celsius, right, switches is going to be C equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 over 1.8. Okay, so it means that if Celsius equal to 2, right? If Celsius equal to this one is 2 Celsius, what is F? F gonna be 1.8 multiply 2 plus 22. So it's gonna be 3.6 plus 32 is equal to 35 plus 6. And what about the other one? What about the other ones? If Fahrenheit is which one? If Fahrenheit is 30, 35 point 8, right? Okay. I'm sorry, 35.6. So it's gonna be 35.6 minus 32 over 1.8 is equal to 3.6 over 1.8. Cut 1, cut 2. So it's equal to degree Celsius is equal to 2. Do you understand this one? The same, right? You can check your answer here. One more time, Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 multiply C plus 32. One more time. Fahrenheit equal to 1.8 multiply Celsius plus 32. One more time. Fahrenheit equal to 1.8 multiply Celsius plus 32. Do you understand? Yes, right? Next one. This one. Example. If degree Celsius is equal to 35, right? So you just multiply together. 35 multiply 1.8 equal to 63 plus 32 is equal to 95. So we check it, student. Degree Celsius to Kelvin, degree Celsius to Kelvin. Kelvin equal to 273 plus C. One more time. Kelvin equal to 273 plus Celsius, and change Kelvin to be Celsius is gonna be Celsius equal to K minus 273, K minus 273. So then you have to remember 273, 273. If teacher say Kelvin, you say 273. Kelvin, 273. Kelvin, 273. Okay, now let's start. If the air temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, right? How much is the air temperature in Kelvin? Okay, let's start, student. K equal to 273 plus 37. So the answer is 308. Student, mm, if K, if Kelvin equal to 300, what about Celsius? So easy. C equal to K minus 273, right? And what about K? K is 300 minus 273. C equal to 27. Done. Easy, right? See in this one. How do you feel when you touch the light bulb? How do you feel when you touch the light bulb, student? Cold? I feel you. I feel sexy. I feel hot. Which one? It is. It is hot, right? So then why the answer is hot? Because it has some energy inside. Next one, student. Next one. What do you feel? Why do you feel hot when you touch the light bulb? Look at this. Because the heat transfer from our hand to light bulb, or because the cold transfer from our hand to light bulb, or the heat transfer from the light bulb to our hand, or the cold transfer from light bulb to our hand. The answer is C, student, because the heat transfer from light bulb to our hand. Okay, student, next one, effects of heat on matters. Effects of heat on matters. Student, before we go, do you remember? If you want to change from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you have to do like this. Fahrenheit equal to 1.8 multiply C, right? This one. 1.8 multiply C plus 32. One more time. Fahrenheit equal to 1.8 multiply C plus 32. Fahrenheit equal to 1.8 multiply C plus 32. Fahrenheit equal to 1.8 multiply C plus 32. Okay, and what about Kelvin? Kelvin, it is 273 plus Celsius. Kelvin equal to 273 plus Celsius. Kelvin equal to 273 plus Celsius. Very good. Look at this, student. There are three states of matter. There are three states of matter. Start from the first one: solid, liquid, gas. Solid, liquid, gas. Student, this one, what is this? The table, it is solid. Next one, a cup. Student, cup is solid. Next one, student, smoke is solid or gas? Gas, very good. Next one, student, tears is gas? No, is it liquid? Okay. One more time. Solid, liquid, gas. Solid, liquid, gas. Sources of matter can be changed when being heat or cold. One more time, student. State of matters can be changed when being heat or cool. Look at this. The liquid change it to be solids because it's cool, right? Ah. Okay, only physical properties that is changed, not chemical properties. Okay, physical property like this one, solid, liquid, gas, but chemical property don't change like H2O, like this, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, this one, if the matter are cool, what happened? The particle moves slow and emit out heat. So it freezing, then liquid to solid. One more time. If the matters are cool, right, the particles move slower and emit out heat. So freezing is freezing, liquid to solid. Next one. See that this one is condensation. Condensation, okay? It's gas to liquid. It's gas to liquid. Look at this. Can you see it? Ah, when you bring some cold water, from the fridge outside to the hotter temperature than the fridge, right? It will be condensation. Okay, change from gas to liquid. Change from gas to liquid. Like the glass, the eyeglass, when you put it on the weather on Thailand, is the temperature. If the temperature hot, right, you can see lots of water under your eyes glasses. I'm sorry, eyeglass. Next one, student. This one, deposition. Deposition. What is that? It's change from gas to solid. Deposition is gas to solid. Gas to solid. Next one. If the matters are heat, the particle move farther and absorb more energy. Look at this. Melting. Melting is change from solid to liquid. Melting is change from solid to liquid. Melting is change from solid to liquid. Next one. Boiling. Boiling it is liquid to gas. You should say boiling, you say liquid gas boiling. Liquid gas boiling. Liquid gas boiling. Liquid gas. Next one. Sublimation. Sublimation. Change from solid to gas. Change from liquid solid to gas. If you just say sublimation, sublimation, you say solid to gas. Sublimation, solid to gas. Sublimation, solid to gas. Easy, right? Easy. Okay, what's the process of state change from liquid to solid? Liquid to solid is boiling or freezing. Liquid to gas, freezing. Very good. What is the process of state change from solid to liquid? Melting. Melting, right? What is the process of state change from gas to solid, student? It is gas to solid. Gas to solid. What is that? What is that? It is easy, right? Deposition. Deposition. Okay. See then, what is the process of state change from liquid to gas, liquid to solid, liquid to solid? Freezing. Very good. How does the process of freezing occur? Liquid emit heat and change its state into solid. Okay, everyone, I think it's time to do the exercise. Teacher will help you, okay? Teacher will help you, it's very easy. Okay, guys, everyone, open the book to page 76. Open the book to page 76, please. Only part one. Only part one, okay? 35 degrees Celsius is equal to 35 degrees Celsius is equal to blah 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 degree Fahrenheit. Student, did you remember that if you want to change from degrees Celsius to be Fahrenheit, how can we do it? How can we do it, student? It is F equal to 1.8 multiply C plus or minus student and plus or minus plus 32. So this one 35 degrees Celsius is gonna be 1.8 multiply 35 plus 32. And what is the answer? The answer is 35 multiply 1.8, right? 35 1.8 1.8 plus which one? Oh, 29. Oh, sorry, 35. So it's gonna be this one is 5, right? 3 plus 3 plus 2 is it 5? 63. 63 plus 32 is it 95. Next one, number 2. Blah blah degree Celsius is equal to 225 degree Fahrenheit. How can we change it? Celsius is equal to 225 minus which one? 32 over 1.8. So it's gonna be 107.22. Next one, 45 degrees Celsius equal to blah 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 Kelvin. Easy, then how can we change it? Do you remember a teacher say Kelvin, you say 273. C is equal to F. Oh, not Fahrenheit, so sorry. One more. K equal to 273 minus C. So it's gonna be 273 minus 45. What is the answer? The answer is 318. Okay, student. Question number 4 and 5, you have to read by yourself, okay? Question 4 and 5, you have to read by yourself. Okay, when you finish, you can take a photo. Take a photo and send it to teacher, okay? Go to your classroom, go to classwork and send it to teacher, okay? Okay. Everyone, see you again next time. Bye-bye.